Alright guys, I'm gonna test like room temperature baking soda and room temperature baking soda with regular temperature baking soda with cold baking soda. Okay. So here we got the cold baking soda and room temperature baking soda. And so here's our result for the cold baking soda. So yeah, it fizzed over. And here's our result for regular baking soda. So over here, set the camera up. So, as you can see, room temperature baking soda is always more fuzzier than cold baking soda. And as you can see, that is more lighter than that. And alright, bye YouTube.